We are describing third lesson of history, Nazism and rise of Hitler. In the previous video, we studied about the First World War, Weimar Republic, and about the economic crisis of 1923. And in the economic crisis, the value of currency of Germany has decreased and prices of all the products increased. Now, we will describe the topic the years of depression or years of economic depression. What happened in Germany? First, we will study about USA. In USA, Wall Street Exchange that was crashed in 1929. And Germany also took loan from USA. So, when the Wall Street Exchange crashed in Germany, in USA, it has bad impact on Germany. So, due to this, great economic depression started, and over the next 3 years, between 1929 to 1932, the national income of USA that fell by half. The Germany economy also badly affected by this economic depression. There was shortage of money. Workers they became jobless, and workers went on streets with placards saying willing to do any work. It means the workers they put the placard in their necks, and on that they have written we are willing to do any work, we need work. Many people without work, mainly the youth, they indulge themselves in the criminal activities. So economic depression has bad impact on Germany, mainly on the workers and young generation. Not only the economy, politically also it has bad impact. Politically, the Weimar Republic that was considered fragile. The Weimar constitution due to some defects made it unstable, and it was considered responsible to give rise dictatorship. So now what were the two defects in Weimar Republic? First defect was proportional representation. Second defect was Article 48. According to this Article 48, more powers given to President. President has power to impose emergency, can suspend the civil rights of the people, and rule by order. So, due to defects in Weimar Republic, there was rise of dictator. Now we will study about the dictator Hitler. How Hitler came to power. Hitler, born in 1889 in Austria, and he spent his youth in poverty. He belonged to poor family. In the First World War, he enrolled for the army. He acted as a messenger in the front. It means he was a simple soldier and became, after some time, a corporal, and he earned medals for bravery also. Hitler joined a small group called German Workers' Party in 1919. He became the member of Workers' Party. He took over the organization and renamed it. The new name of this Workers' Party was National Socialist German Workers' Party. And after some time, this party, known as Nazi Party, and this party came completely under the control of Hitler. How Hitler became so popular? As we know earlier, he was a simple army man. After some time, he became the main leader of Workers' Party. He had so many qualities. Due to this, in a short time period, he became very popular. Hitler was a powerful speaker, and his speech or words moved the people. In his speech, he promised to the people to build a strong nation, undo the injustice of the Versailles Treaty, and to restore the dignity of the German people. He promised to the people to give them employment, and to secure future for the youth people. He promised to the people to weed out all the foreign influences. It means none of the foreign power can interfere in their country, and he promised to the people to oppose all the foreign conspiracies against Germany. Hitler started following a new style of politics, and his followers they conducted big rallies and public meetings. According to the Nazi propaganda, Hitler was called a Messiah. So people they thought that Hitler was their God, their Messiah, a savior, as someone who had arrived to deliver people from their distress. So due to his speech, people considered him their Messiah, and due to this, he became popular in a short time period.